Hello nursing students, you are watching Scientific Medico-Nursologist YouTube channel. Today's video is for BSc nursing students, in which I am going to discuss about the subjects most important and frequently asked questions for the degree examination of 2023. So let's start the video. So let's discuss the syllabus and blueprint of sociology subject to get briefly idea about major topics to study, chapter wise important questions, weightage of marks per unit of the syllabus. There are 12 units in the sociology subject of BSc nursing, which includes Unit 1 Introduction to the Sociology, Unit 2 Individual and Society, Unit 3 Culture, Unit 4 Social Groups and Social Process, Unit 5 Population, Unit 6 Family and Marriage, Unit 7 Social Stratification, Unit 8 Types of Communities in India, Unit 9 Social Change, Unit 10 Social System, Unit 11 Social Control, Unit 12 Social Problems. Sociology question paper consists of 3 parts. First part long essay which carries 10 marks, second part short essay which carries 5 marks, third part short answers which carries 2 marks. So our first part is long essay. Let's discuss from which all units 10 marks questions comes and how many 10 marks questions comes for the degree examination. So I divided long essay part into 3 standard questions on the basis of priority and possibilities of repeating, where first standard question has more possibilities of repeating than of second standard question and then of third standard question, where each standard question consists of only 1 unit each. So our first standard question consists of all the questions of the unit 6 as same as second standard question consists of all the questions from the unit 12, and the third standard question consists of all the important questions from the other units of the syllabus. Out of 3 standard questions, only 2 standard questions gonna come for the degree examination, and that 2 standard questions will contain only 1 ordinary questions each from the units of the particular standard questions, and the standard questions are first standard question, second standard question, third standard question. So our first standard question is unit 6 Family and Marriage, and the ordinary questions in this unit are, and our first ordinary question is define marriage, explain in detail about the types of marriages in India. Second question, define marriage, explain the importance of marriage and problems associated with the marriages in India. Third question, explain various legislations on Indian marriage and family. Fourth question, define family, explain in detail the characteristics and nature of family. Fifth question, define family, explain in detail the forms of family. Sixth question, what is meant by family disorganization, discuss the major causes of family disorganization in India. Seventh question, discuss joint family, explain its characteristics, discuss the factors of disintegration of joint family system. What is family welfare program, discuss the role of nurse in family welfare program. What is meant by joint family system, discuss the advantages and disadvantages of joint family system. Explain the characteristics of modern family, discuss the various problems of modern family. Next question, what is modern family, explain the futures of modern family, discuss the factors of disintegration of modern family. Next question, describe the changing trends in modern family and its impact on health and disease. Define family, discuss the role of family in maintenance of health and prevention of disease. Define family, discuss the details of essential and non-essential functions of family. Define family, discuss the functions of family and changes occurred in the modern family. And our second standard question is unit 12, that is social problems, and the ordinary questions in this unit are: first standard question, define social welfare planning, discuss the role of nurse in social welfare. Write an essay on housing problems in India. Discuss the concept of poverty, explain in detail various programs to curb poverty. Classify unemployment, discuss various remedy measures for unemployment. Classify beggars, explain the causes of beggars, measure to combat beggars. What is social disorganization, list the characteristics, describe causes of social disorganization. What is meant by minority group, list the various minority groups in India. Discuss the problems of religious ministry in India. Mention the problems of elderly, describe the measures taken by the government for the welfare. What is meant by child abuse, describe the various measures taken by government for the child welfare. Define juvenile delinquency, list the causes of juvenile delinquency, discuss the rehabilitation measures for the juvenile delinquency. What is meant by substance abuse, what are the causes of drug addiction, discuss the prevention measures of drug addiction. State various rights of women, describe the various measures taken by the government towards the women welfare. So our second part is short essay part, as same as long essay part. I divided short essay part into 8 standard questions. Out of only 7 standard questions gonna come for the degree examination. Social group and social process, and the ordinary questions in this unit are: first question, classify social groups. Second question, explain the characteristics of primary group. Third question, explain the characteristics of secondary group. Fourth question, differentiate primary group and secondary groups. Fifth question, importance of primary group. Sixth question, explain the role of primary group in health and disease. Seventh question is explain the crowd behavior of psychology. Eighth question, explain the importance of primary group. Differentiate between crowd and public. Explain the characteristics of a tribe. Describe collective behavior. Population and the ordinary questions in this unit are explain the causes of overpopulation, explain the impact of overpopulation on health status, explain the social consequence of overpopulation. Fourth question, explain Malthusian theory of population. Write a note on Malthusian theory of population. Describe the demographic characteristics of overpopulation. Explain the remedial measures of overpopulation. Describe national population policy. Discuss family welfare program in India. Explain each pyramid. Explain in detail on the causes of overpopulation in India. What are the effects of population explosion in India? Write a note in population explosion. Explain the methods to prevent population explosion in India. Social stratification and the ordinary questions in this unit are discuss the social stratification found in India. Explain the nature of social stratification. Explain the characteristics of Indian caste system. Explain the changes taken place in the caste system. Explain the merits and demerits of caste system. Differentiate between caste system and class system. Discuss the health effects of caste system and class system. Write a note on judgment system. Write a brief account of different types of races and their futures. Types of communities in India and the ordinary questions in this unit are: first question, discuss the features of rural community. Discuss the changes occurred in Indian village community. Explain in detail the problems of rural community. Discuss the features of urban community. Explain urban slums. Explain urbanization and its impact on health. Explain the bright and dark side of city life. Discuss the problems of urban community. Discuss the impact of community development project. Discuss the impact of community development project in rural India. Differentiate between rural and urban community. Social change and the ordinary questions in this unit are: explain the nature of social change. Explain the factors of social change. Explain the technological factors of social change. Discuss barriers of social change. Explain the consequences of social change. Explain the geographical factors of social change. Discuss the evolution theories of social change. Discuss the role of nurse in bringing about the social change. Write a note on culture lag. Write a note on culture factors of social change. So our third part is short answers, which is divided into standard questions. Out of standard questions gonna come for the degree examination, and the standard questions are: Unit 2 individual and society, Unit 3 culture, Unit 4 social groups and social process, Unit 7 social stratification, Unit 8 types of communities in India, Unit 10 social system, Unit 11 social control, Unit 12 social problems. Downloading our PDF of important questions. So I just request you to subscribe our YouTube channel to get first point original degree examination question paper, point second point syllabus and blueprint of all the subjects, point third point important questions of all the subjects, fourth point handwritten notes of answers to the important questions of all the subjects, fifth point important information and knowledge about the C nursing. These all you just get free of cost. Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell button. You will get notification of our next video. So thank you for watching.